Ngozi, go. Danger.
Siyapha Joseph Keshnazeni mabona igaraji empty. Igaraji ustika umculo nqala kodwa amagaraji empty. Go. Yeah, ish. But yeah, it was time. So in today's video, guys, as you know, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail, I sprayed my car. So slanda namanje ngithi ngivlogele fast yabo. Sibheke ukuthi ngeke njani. Nami since wayiqedile ngayibona. So yeah, better time there at the back. Stera, the cameraman. So like, comment, share, subscribe. So by Pacification Calism is all over Ziwa. Like, they're so still in our time as well. Yeah. Thank you for the support, guys. Southern Hostel. We're just getting started. But for now, I see love video. It will be my next video, separate video. For just now, for now, let's go fetch the car.
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. Be free. I spend my time alone.
Sophie, no. Hey. Ting 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 ting. Yeah, bro. Some sweet boy. Oh. Ngay bon. Mukha mabonisi yun. Saka pa mo peke video. Mukha mabonisi na.
Ngayon, mabonisi pa ba?
Yo. Musna ba fagile lento lezo bafuna. Oh. Yo. Yeah.
Uzobabonisa, eh? Uzibonisela bona mos. Or
Yeah. Yo.
On.
Amakita kala mephelile yo. Sanibonani belungu.
Sanibona. Shu. Ngata yikho ngayima boy.
Ungababonisi. Yo. Mlungu.
Esiba. Ngasondeli kakhulu phela ngizoze ngibabonise.
Ungababonisi. Ngiyawasha. Ngise khawasha.
Ndozo bona ngakho.
Yeah, ngithi nanoma ngayise khawasha manje. Oh.
Noma ngayisika.
Semandleni. Oh. Yo. Amakata kala mephelele amampela yo. Lona.
Ndoda athi ngibabonise kancane yabona naye yave.
Angababonisi.
Naye yavela la side.
Oh. Umlungu uva.
Ngasondeli kakhulu ngizobabonisa phela.
Hey uncle. Uthenge mfonela. Okay. Oh. Oh.
Yenzani mfana?
I'm still digesting. What?
On.
Ungabonisi bro.
Ngibabonise.
Ungabonisi. Bangiza ngapha ungangivezi. Ngamani ube kancane lapho. Guys. Ngizabona bangiqeda ukuyiva. Mangiqeda ukuya ecar wash nami ngiqeda ukugeza ngine-energy. But manje yo bro. Yeah.
Yenza nda. Ubheke ini lapha amatayara.
Yeah, bro.
On ne. Yabona nami ngicike ngayo manje intwana yami embaleni obomvu.
Let me do business, guys. Sharp. What's up, guys? It's your boy Petros Educationalism, and today I'm gonna show you how can trading be simple, smart, and exciting with Pocket Broker. Especially thanks to their built-in AI trading mode. Artificial intelligence has become part of our everyday life. Now it's changing trading too. When people want to start trading, the problem is not money, it's complexity. Charts, indicators, and constant analyzing. It's totally overwhelming. I also felt the same way. That's why I was excited when Pocket Broker introduced AI trading. I've been trading with Pocket Broker for a very long time. Now they added an AI trading feature that makes things very much easier. You literally press one button and the system determines the trade timing and direction. You don't need to constantly analyze charts or worry about making mistakes. Artificial intelligence analyzes for you and helps you trade more efficiently. It's perfect for beginners and it also assists experienced traders. There are over 130 assets available. Currencies, stock, crypto, and indices, all accessible 24/7. Pocket Broker also runs daily tournaments with prize pool, and yes, you can join the tournament even you're using AI trading. For active trading, you can earn bonuses like risk-free trades and cashbacks. Another big plus is the Pocket Broker community. The community communicates in different languages and help each other and share experience. So if you have questions about deposits, withdrawals, and trading, just ask the chat and they will respond quickly. Pocket Broker is designed for a quick start. Clear interface, AI trading, and ready-made tools. You can just place your trade in a few minutes and you're never alone. There's a community support and 24/7 assistance. So if you wanted to start trading but you kept postponing because of it seemed complicated, Pocket Broker makes it easy for you. So click the link below when you register and don't forget to use my promo code PETRO5 to get 100% bonuses on your first deposit. Thank you for watching. AI is already changing how we work. Now it's changing how we trade. So subscribe to my channel if you want more tips and see you in the next video. Guys, sishawayilanga. Simelela umuntu alethi ikey adamani lo spray imoto yabo. Uhambe ngikey. Manje simelene ukuthi sithathe imoto.
Lo muntu usiphendula abolindiwe lo muntu lo silindisile.
Silindisile. Hey. YouTube. Hey. Yeah, hey, look me, man. But where does the world is away?
Saturday, second code, get code, last code.
Last code. So should I show you ngibabonise makafa manje?
Nah, so say right there, ngiyabo. Ubona
Ngizangababonisa nalapha.
Sanababonisa nina manje.
Nalapha maseyiphela
Yeah, maseyiphela Sunday. which is namhlanje yini
For now
Sunday namhlanje.
ngizonibonisa lokho enginibonisa kona athi ngibabonisele la kithi fast yabo ngizobona ivideo kuphela i-glimpse yabona ngakayise ekhaya check ngakayenzi mix is just a glimpse. Abe sengithukile manga amaphupuzo enza kanje ngasabamba umlilo ngithi kwenzakalani angilela switch
Ayifana.
abe sengithukile
Bese ifuna ukusilimaza phela idensilena sibali ubonile besenza.
ini
Yona idensilena ifika angafika ngomacala kuba imoto siyisa phambili nasemuva waya.
singithi kube siyisa phambili nasemuva sinethemba lokuthi
Sunday ifanda. Yeah, Sunday ifanda. Cabanga uzozuyise kuya Sunday. Saturday. Yeah. Saturday uzozuyise Saturday.
kuleya hayi wena ngizoyisa kanjani kuleya Saturday kumele ngihambe
Yeah.
hamba Friday
Yo. Andoda mende lasewomini. Ayibathi imali bebathi bamele yona kuthiwa manje. Ori
ya ngabantu kumele yisa kawash manje
ayifana. I don't know. Decision izophuma kuwe mabona. Yabo. Decision izophuma kuwe mabona. Mina bevena ngayenza plan cha. Mara yona nayizwa iyaphefumula.
hayo niyaphefumula
Wena manje sengiyekile.
abathi ayiphefumuli banamanga kodwa aphefumula ke ngabe ngiqansi steering sizolokha ngihamba
Short street boss. Yabona nayibo ngeletha.
awubuzuka emalini iwash malini wash ngifuna ukujika
That's malini.
uthi bhake la usafuna ngifake nani hayi naphefumula oh
Yona is something. Yes.
inkinga yethu manje wewe na foka
Ile zilitsa.
Kiyasicacete guys ezingibona kumele ngilungise laphaya otherwise man. YouTube ezingibona yeah. This is the first part of the video, ne? No, not of the. So bazoshaya in code, second code or something. Yeah, for now, this was the first code. Yeah, samele bayipolisha futhi angithola. So kumele ngiwashe bengithi ngishaya content ukuthi ngihamba ngiwash, but basa kumele ngiwashe so. Sesizobona in the next video again mase full product sengifake nama light angithola. Yeah, faka ama light amasha intonyana enjalo. Yeah, support petrosificationalism. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Ciao.
Danger ingozi. Go.